I got this squirrel sitting right up here on this limb. And I've got this old Mossberg shotgun here. This is a single shot bolt action, and it's pretty old. It's probably 50, 60 years old. And he's just sitting right there. I wonder if he's gonna take off on us. It's gonna be an easy one to get though. Oh, he's just sitting there. All right, well, if you're just gonna sit there. Got him. Stop calling me, people. Trying to do something here. Come on. Come here. That was easy. Yeah, this old shotgun works pretty good if they're not too far out. Come on. You're a kitty, 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 kitty. Ah, it's a nice one. Pretty good size. All right, well, anyway, that was easy and quick. I heard him barking when I came out. I was getting ready to do a little bit of work, and I thought, well, if you're just gonna sit there on that limb and bark like that, why? That's gonna be the end of that, so. All right, well, let me know what you think about this old piece. I've had it for about 25 years. And yeah, somebody spray painted it, but hey, whatever. And it's so old, it's a Mossberg. It's so old though, it didn't even have a serial number. So we stamped one in it right there. But yeah, you could be surprised. You could get another one in there pretty quick, you know. You can get off 2 or 3 rounds pretty easily. Especially with squirrels, you can get them off before they get away. So, all right, well, I'll catch you later.